My name is Dr.S.Ramananda, and today we are conducting the final experiment to find altered electromagnetic waves. Let me take you to the starting point. 1994. 1994, three American scientists made a prophetic prediction. Now, why I am trying to tell you this is, just take a look at this magazine. This magazine is published by the New York Academy of Sciences. The three scientists wrote an article. In that article, they said that gravity and inertia can arise out of electromagnetism. This is a very historic article. Initially, the world's topmost physics journal, the Physics Review of Letters, refused to publish their findings. After very hard discussion and debate, they published it in the Physical Review of Letters in 1994. Now, I would like to show you this particular magazine, where the editor of this particular magazine has said how difficult it was to publish in the Physical Review of Letters. Now, I will also show you the article in which these three scientists have written something historic. I will focus, I'll ask the camera to focus on this article. The article says, beyond E is equal to mc square, a first glimpse of a postmodern physics in which mass, inertia and gravity arise from underlying electromagnetic processes. The author's name, Bernard Hartz, Alfonso Rida and H.E. Puthoff. One is German origin, another is Italian origin, another is Russian origin, but all three are Americans. They say we should make mass and gravity a bold reinterpretation. What they say is very simple. They say the most famous of all equations must surely be E is equal to mc square. In popular culture, that relation between energy and mass is virtually synonymous with relativity. But what they say is, indeed, if that view is correct, there is no such thing as mass. There is no such thing as mass. Only electric charge and energy. Only electric charge and energy. They say mass is an illusion created out of only electric charge and energy. So they say it is an effect created out of the combination of electric charge and energy. So, if that view is correct, there is no such thing as mass, only electric charge and energy, which together creates the illusion of mass. They say mass is an illusion created out of electric charge and energy. So, now these three scientists go on to make a radical conclusion. Now what they say is the scientific prophecy, which today we are all set to prove. What prophecy they are making? I'll tell you, I'll show you the prophecy. They say, if inertia and gravity are like other manifestations of electromagnetic phenomena, it might someday be possible to manipulate them by advanced engineering technique. So, I repeat, if inertia and gravity are like other manifestations of electromagnetic phenomena, it might someday be possible to manipulate them by advanced engineering technique. That's what we are doing today. That advanced engineering technique, we are trying to produce inertia and gravity through altered electromagnetic waves. Focus on this. This is straight from their article. Now, a little bit about them. Bernard Hayes, at that time in 1994, was working as staff scientist at the Lockheed Palo Alto Research Laboratory in California. And he was also a visiting fellow of the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics in Germany. Alfonso Rida is a professor of electrical engineering at California State University, Long Beach. H.E. Puthoff is director of Institute for Advanced Studies at Austin, Texas. This is 1994. Okay, now we can check.